What is up, guys? Today is day 6 of shooting my bow every day until 100 subscribers. Sending it from 20 yards to make sure I can get these videos out today. We get 6 shots. That one was way high. I didn't shoot the greatest because I was in a rush so I can get these videos out today, but I'll take that for day 6.